Well, here we are, folks. We got the frame all sanded and painted, transmission all sanded and painted, got the engine coupler welded up, and the bow housing's all finished, and motor and transmission are finished coupled now. Axles are in, motor mount is done. I got a couple little pieces to put on the motor mount. I'll still have to build a shroud for around the brushes of that motor, the right hand side of that motor, in order to get some air in there and keep dirt out, keep it cool. But we also have the motor. I rewired the motor in order to have reverse now. Here's forward, which we had that before, but all I gotta do is have a reversing switch now, and I can get the motor to go backwards. It's coming along great. Probably be going for a test run in a few weeks' time. Check you later.